Hello, and welcome to Tech Talk. My name is Jason Zweifel, shop foreman at BMW of Akron. Today we're going to take a closer look at the BMW maintenance programs and how they can benefit you and your vehicle. Let's take a closer look.
Did you know that every new BMW comes with 3 years and 36,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, which covers oil changes, brake fluid services, air filters, and microfilter services? If you need coverage beyond the initial scheduled maintenance plan, you also have the opportunity to extend or upgrade your coverage. By adding additional time, mileage, or coverage for items like brake system components, drive belts, and wipers, you can add value to your ownership experience. All maintenance plan upgrades are also fully transferable to subsequent owners. Not ready to upgrade your maintenance plan? No worries, we have flexible options to help. If your vehicle is over 5 years old or has over 60,000 miles, you may be eligible for the 3-year unlimited mileage oil change plan. For the incredible value of just $225, you'll get 3 years of prepaid oil changes covering every oil change your vehicle requires, no matter how many miles you drive. There's also the BMW Value Service Program, which offers unbeatable value with competitive pricing for select services and models. Contact BMW of Akron's service team now to learn more.